The 8 best Powerline Network Adapters. If you're having trouble with wireless connectivity, consider a Powerline adapter that can work instead of, or as a complement to, any existing network. They simply plug into your AC power lines via a regular socket and offer consistent speeds, reliability, and security, without the need to run Ethernet cables everywhere. We've listed the best models for home and office use. The list starts from Linksys PLEK500. While the Linksys PLEK500, around $100, is capped at 500 megabits per second. That may not matter to you, because most users don't actually see that much bandwidth from their ISP. In real-world testing, it reaches speeds comparable to many of the newer models, often covers both sockets, relatively low latency, but doesn't have a pass-through outlet. Check out linked in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Netgear PLP1200. The Netgear PLP1200, around $77, has a thick and durable casing that should be able to take a little abuse if you have to locate it in a high-traffic area. This one's a LAN-only setup, ideal for use with your existing wireless router or mesh. Works well over long distances. Plug-and-play installation, but unreliable when in power-saving mode. You shouldn't miss this product's review. ComTrend Bridge. The ComTrend Bridge, APPX, $68, operates on the somewhat obscure G.hn protocol, the only alternative to the common AB2 standard. This model is notable because it provides power over Ethernet capability, which is typically used by small, always-on peripherals, middle-of-the-pack speeds. Perfect for security camera systems, but per unit cost is high. Well, here is the 7th one. Xtolo Una. The Xtolo Una, about $69, is a powerful option that can extend your current network to the far corners of your house. Although it may take a little electronics know how to get it working just right. When you do, though, it's one of the fastest options around. Doesn't cost a fortune, auto-optimizes each wireless device, but requires an Xtolo base unit. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Zeiss LAV2000. The Zeiss LAV2000, around $70, has a helpful mobile app that allows you to monitor and troubleshoot your connection from anywhere you have internet access. It features twin gigabit Ethernet ports, MIMO technology, and easily visible LED status indicators. Good real-world performance. Relatively easy to configure, but protrudes pretty far from the wall. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Xtolo LAN Plug 2000. Designed to create a hardwired connection in any room, the Xtolo LAN Plug 2000, APPX, $47, is among the fastest in the category in real-world usage. It can communicate directly with a computer or smart TV or work behind an additional Wi-Fi extender. Ideal for 4K video streaming, 2x2 MIMO with beamforming, but sold in individual units. Customers are keen, and according to them, one should buy this one. TP-Link AV1000, able to transmit at a theoretical maximum of 1000 megabits per second. The TP-Link AV1000, APPX, $80, should satisfy the needs of the majority of home users, as long as your wiring is properly installed. This one's even fast enough to support online gaming. Built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, won't block other outlets, but quite reasonably priced. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. TP-Link AV1300. Available with or without dual-band wireless connectivity, the TP-Link AV1300 is a reasonably priced device that's efficient for most home users. It has 2 Ethernet ports and is one of the easiest models to set up and manage. Gigabit-class Wi-Fi 5, suitable for streaming 4K video, but 128-bit AES encryption.